So, tuloy natin yung kwento namin nung female security guard. Medyo may edad na siya that time, siguro she's probably 50. Tapos nagkwento siya na nahirapan daw siya dun sa trabaho niya, nagkakasakit na siya. Kasi imagine she's been working, what, 15, 16 hours a day, tapos wala pa daw siyang day off ngayong October, or mag-iisang buwan na siyang walang walang day off. So, it's necessary to take care of your health, especially yung physical. It doesn't matter kung gaano ka-good yung spirit mo, yung soul mo will suffer if your physical body is gonna suffer. So, kailangan mong alagaan yung katawan mo. Okay? Sabi nga nila, alagaan ng sarili kasi walang ibang aalagaan yan.